Today I'll be telling you about the 10 best features of ColorOS version 5.1, which is the skin used in the Realme C1 and Realme 2. All of these features will be very helpful for you if you own this device, so make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you haven't seen my unboxing and initial review for Realme C1, then here's the card to that video, please go and watch it. So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techster1504. My name is Utsav, and without wasting any further time, let's get right into our video. You can enable picture-in-picture mode in YouTube so that you can watch videos while doing other stuffs, but you need to have Chrome browser installed for this. In order to enable it, just open any YouTube video in desktop mode in Chrome browser, then tap on the full screen button. And then press Recents button. That's it, you now have the picture-in-picture mode enabled. In order to close it, just drop the video down below and it'll automatically close. In ColorOS version 5.1, when you're in the landscape mode, you can access a few quick options when you swipe from the notch region. You can take screenshot or record your screen or access your messaging apps without even opening them. In order to enable this feature, open Settings, then tap on Smart and Convenient, then tap on Full Screen Multitasking, and then enable this option. You even get to do a few customizations from these options below, so try them out on your own. When on lock screen, you can use gestures in order to perform tasks faster, such as double tap to wake your device, draw O to open camera, and V to toggle flash. In order to enable these gestures, you need to open Settings, then tap on Gesture and Motion, and finally on Screen Off Gestures. Here you can enable or disable the gesture or add your custom gestures from here to select specific tasks that will be done upon drawing the given gesture. If you like, then you can disable the on-screen navigation buttons and enable the gesture-based navigation feature in ColorOS version 5.1. In order to do so, you need to open Settings, then go to Smart and Convenient, then tap on Navigation keys and then select Swipe Up Gesture Navigation. In this navigation feature, you can swipe up from left or right in order to go back and swipe up from center to go to the home screen. And in order to open the Recents tab, you have to swipe up and then hold for a few seconds. Using this option, you can adjust the time period in which the phone will be set to silent mode so that you don't get disturbed by phone calls or notifications. In order to enable it, open Settings, then tap on Quiet Time. Here you can enable and disable it manually or set it up such that it automatically activates and deactivates at a certain period of time. You can even add the contacts for which the feature will allow the notifications or calls so that you don't miss any important calls or notifications. If you have kids at your home and they use your device a lot and you don't want them to delete or use other applications, then the kids mode will be very useful for you. What it does is that it asks you to choose a set of apps that will be visible and can be accessed in the kids mode, and all the other apps gets hidden and can't be accessed. You can exit the kids mode by typing the password or with your Face ID. In order to enable this feature, open Settings, then open Security, and then tap on Kids Space. Here you can select the duration for each use and the apps allowed during the mode is enabled, and when you're all done, then tap on Enter Kids Space. Her recent research proved that the blue light coming from the smartphone screen can damage your eyes and also make sleeping harder. So it is advised to use apps which provide blue light filter which protects your eyes and helps you sleep faster. So in ColorOS, you don't need to download any third-party apps as the feature is inbuilt in the phone. In order to enable it, you need to open Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness, and then tap on Night Shield. You can set the color temperature here and enable it manually or at a scheduled time. Back in the Display tab, you even get to adjust the screen color temperature to warmer or cooler. So depending upon your personal preference, you can adjust it. You can enable split screen feature by going to the app's split screen settings in the settings option. There are several ways to access split screen, but the most convenient way is using the swipe up with 3 fingers gesture. You get to even adjust the size of each apps visible on the screen. You can even specifically disable the unwanted notifications from apps by going to the notifications and status bar in the settings app. Then tap on Manage Notifications. Here you can select the app from whom you don't want any notifications and then disable it from here. There are few other options here, so feel free to explore. In order to monitor the internet speed and battery percentage in your status bar, you need to go to Settings, then tap on Notification and Status bar, and then enable these two options. You even get OTG support with this device, but I don't know why it's not enabled when you start the device. In order to enable it, open Settings, then go to the additional settings option down here and you'll find OTG connection. Just enable it and start using your pen drive via OTG cable. So this was it for today guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then smash the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so as to get notified for all my latest videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.